Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to add sign up forms to your website in Klaviyo. So first thing you got to do is just click on sign up forms right here, then click on create form. Now from here you can choose your templates that you want. For example, I'm just going to click on this and choose this. Alright. Now once you're done editing your form, then click on publish. And enable on-site tracking. Once you enable that, just click on setup manually and grab the code of your form. Now once you have the code, just copy it and add it to your website via HTML. Thanks for watching.